that we remember who He is. God in the Son. He's still God in the Holy Ghost. And it's God all three in one. He's still God on the platform. He's still God back at the door. Him. We must not forget Him. We must keep our minds focused wholly and totally upon Him, because He will see us.